What if I told you everything you've heard about YouTube growth might actually be wrong? So everyone's been giving the same advice over and over, and I'm gonna give you some counterintuitive things that will help you grow, which has certainly helped us start to really compound our growth over time. So number one, first and foremost, your subscriber count doesn't actually matter. As a matter of fact, this week I spoke to a friend who last month got about 10 million views on his channel, Deep Pocket Monster, and his channel has about 400,000 subscribers. So it's a good amount of people, but it's not millions and millions of subscribers. Now, on the other hand, my friend who has 1.1 million subscribers on his channel, he's only getting maybe a couple 100,000 views or so, right? And here's another example. My marketing school podcast channel, which only has 3,000 subscribers right now, it's actually starting to push close to what this channel is getting in terms of views. So the key takeaway here is focus on the quality of your content, and then everything else will fall into place. And so a good example of this could be Mr. Beast content, where he has one new video that really comes out each month. Second one is the length of your video. So that might be good for keeping them watching on that video, but the objective that you ultimately want to fulfill is keep people on the platform. As long as you focus your content in one area, so my focus is on marketing, and I continue to make a lot of content and people actually enjoy it, that's going to be more than good enough, right? So longer content is good, but you don't necessarily need to be making long content all the time, because the algorithm actually understands whether you like to watch long form stuff versus short form stuff. Now, the other thing is translating your content into other languages. So this is starting to happen more and more now. And actually there are people that do this as a service. Let's say I translate this content into Portuguese, I translate this content into Spanish, into German. YouTube is looking for more of that content. As long as your content is relevant to those regions, then you are good to go. And the other thing I wanted to mention too is that Shorts is going to take over. Google is talking about how they are going to share Shorts revenue with creators. And also, if you're a podcaster like I am, you basically have discoverability now, meaning that if people watch your shorts, they're going to see your longer form podcast content that's on YouTube, and they're actually going to release a podcast section as well. So that's going to be good for your growth. Now, a lot of people don't think about this, but hitting your own channels, your email list, your SMS list, and ideally what you would do is for every new video that you have coming out, you would hit your email list or your SMS list and hope that they'll come in and they would engage with your content. Now, the likes also don't matter as much either. Actually, Mr. Beast has tested this extensively. I know there are other creators out there like Graham Stephan talking about likes, and to be frank, I've noticed that the view to like ratio for our videos over the last couple years has really gone down. And so a video that used to maybe get, let's say 5,000 views or so, would get a couple hundred likes. Maybe now it'll only get 100 likes or so. So don't focus so much on the likes, don't focus so much on the subscribers, focus on making the best possible video that you can make. And if you're able to do that, then you're going to get ahead of everyone else, right? Now, if you want to grow your YouTube channel to 100,000 plus subs or more, even though I just said that subs aren't the biggest deal, well, you can check out this video over here, because we have more unorthodox tips that you can use to grow your YouTube faster. So go check it out over there, and we will see you in that video.